Guys, this is Esteban Tavera, and this is my exit ticket tutorial for C Sharp. So let's begin. For this week, I decided to do a small centimeters to meters calculator. As you can see, here's my form. And let me show you guys my code. Basically, centimeters to meters, I added a new one, which is centimeters times 0.01. And then here is my calculate button. Here's my exit button. So let's run the code. Let's do 100. It has to say 1 equal to 1. Good. Let's do it again. Let's do 500. Good. Now let's type Esteban. All good. It works. Thank you guys for watching.